Right, I'm going back to YouTube because none of the school supplies stuff is playing well with the format. Anyway, so plot. So there's a big difference between plot and how you learned it back in the old guided reading days. There's that ding dong. I bet you guys miss it so much. So back in the days of guided reading, you had this triangle, and they were getting you to do setting, plot, characters, all those things. And we do that for a reason. You do actually use setting, plot, and character and all that jazz in other literature, and it is the foundation of it. The plot is super important for what we're going to be doing, and the assignment is called Twitter summaries, and I'm going to be running through for you how to do that in a couple of little videos. So I'm sure that everybody would always giggle, but I want to see if I just write a blank in here and a blank in here and a blank up here and a blank in here, and then a blank in here, and I put some arrows. I am hoping that by doing this, I am sparking your memory a little bit about stuff you may have learned before. Now, your guided reading triangle, the big thing I want to talk about today is here. So, what was here that made you giggle in grade 7? It was one word, if you think about it. Starts with a C. Don't tell me you didn't giggle. Everybody in grade 7 giggles when they see this word. This is the big thing I want to talk about, because how you were taught this worked for very small things, but not in the others. So for this clip, now I want you to go through and I want you to list. This one is going to be number 1. Okay, this one's going to be number 2, and this one's going to be number 3. So I'm going to have a multiple choice question to see what you think those 3 things are. So that's the end of this clip. So this is just the intro to plot.